Goodness, goodness, goodness. That goodness is what sets him apart. I want to come to Nagarjun sir, but in just a bit. Shall we continue, everyone? I want to request a sound to increase the sound for even Naga sir. Yes.
Hi.
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 Hi. As charming as ever you are
Thank you.
and looking dapper, mera pehla sawal is no matter how much stardom, no matter how much success, love that you see from your fans and audience, I would like you to answer to the media. How does Naga sir stay connected, stay rooted, and stay one with his audience, with Janta? Please.
ఓకే ముందు అందరికీ నమస్కారం ఎల్లరికం వనక్కం సబ్కు నమస్కార్ ఎల్లరికూ నమస్కార How are you guys doing? All good. Thank you for the love and affection always. Whenever I come here, it's been shown, starting from the airport to the hotel to here. Always so much love and affection. They expect me to become too fun and do this. Even now on the road, that's fantastic. Right from the beginning of my career, starting from Shiva or Kudagawa, and Criminal, and Zakam, and Angare, and other films. And also all my dub films have been accepted so well here in the North. So I'm so deeply appreciative about it. Gratitude to all of you. And this film, let me just talk about the film then. This film is very special to me. It came to me at one point of time where I was wondering what next to do, like you asked. What should I do next? I can't keep doing the same roles over and over again. And Shekhar Kamla, whom I wanted to work with for the last 15 years, he came to me and he said, would you like to do this role? And it was, I didn't even much ask what he was going to offer me. I said yes, because I know I've seen Shekhar Kamla's earlier films. He's a brilliant filmmaker, so real, his sensibilities are so true. And like Dhanush said, his heart is so pure, and that comes across to the screen, to his script. So that is one of the reasons I always wanted to be in his films. And when he accepted, and then when I accepted, then the star cast came, and it was brilliant. It was also very good. And then I got to play with the great Jim Saurabh. It was outstanding playing with him. My God, this man is impossible. I mean, he put me on my toes, and he was telling Telugu dialogues even better than me. You know, this man is so incredible. And Dalip Saab, we've known him for so long. I've known him for such a long time. It was great to work with him. And this girl, this girl is one powerhouse of talent. Come on, you see her, filmography in the last 3 years? This just outstanding. None of us are 2,000, 3,000 crore guys. This is the one. This is the one who's beat all of us.
That defines a true gentleman who is actually celebrating the lady in the house. Nagarjun sir, this is what we love about you.
So it's Rashmika, it was such a pleasure. I worked with you before, but this time after I saw the dubbing, when I saw the film, I just had to call you. I called you straight from the dubbing theater. She's brilliant in the film. She's going to make all of you laugh. Going to make you laugh so much. She's just so brilliant. She's spontaneous. There's something so nice about her. And Rashmika, I thank you for being in the film. And everybody else, whoever, there were four newcomers who were in the film who are not here. They were just brilliant. I thought they told me they were all newcomers, and they picked them up. They were just outstanding. And leaving this aside, DSP, my favorite, one of my favorite music directors, what music is given for the film? The background score, the songs, though we are not lipping them, they just lift the film up completely. And I thank DSP. And right now I saw that Pippi Pippi Dum Dum song. When Rashmika said, is it good? I said, how can you forget Pippi Pippi Dum Dum? You cannot forget that.
Since you spoke about the music, and we have Aditya ji who wants to speak a lot with us, actually, I believe. Just kidding. Sir, एक line में बता दीजिए, because DSP का music and DSP himself is an industry. आपके लिए music कितना अलग रहा? एक ही line में कुछ भी बोलिए sir. Aditya Music से Aditya.
Obviously, it's a big project for us. It's a big project for Aditya Music. We are glad to be part of this. Nag sir, we're happy to work with you once again.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you everyone to be part of this event. Wishing all the best. And this will be another blockbuster from South.
All right. So I also have to speak of my co-star Dhanush. Dhanush was just brilliant in the film. Like you have said, I don't know what he is yesterday. I don't know what he's going to be tomorrow. But that's the way he changes himself. And on the sets, he was completely into his character. Unbelievable how he gets into it. And hats off to Dhanush. I'm so glad to be working with him, and also the producers and everybody. And thank you for giving so much love. Thank you for all the affection.
We're not letting you go.
All
You
right.
have to stay with us. There's lots of questions for you. But because we have everyone, I want you to stick around because you are our core right now. I'm going to come to Jim since you mentioned him. Jim, you've got Nag sir in love with your craft. That's
Good
huge.
afternoon, everybody.
Ooh.
Most of my scenes actually were with Nag sir, and I loved it. He made me feel so comfortable and relaxed on set. He made me feel like, I was saying all my lines in Telugu, which I do not usually speak. So, and I was with one of the...
Mushkil tha, Jim?
Huh?
Mushkil tha?
To learn the lines? Yes, definitely. I had to really rattle them,
Kuch yaad hai?
Huh?
Kuch yaad hai?
No. I don't want to give anything away. But yes. And Nag sir made me feel so comfortable, so relaxed, and I knew I was with such an enormous and talented star, and he never made me feel that at all. He made me feel like he was just another player in the scene, and we needed to do the scene as best as could possibly done. So thank you so much, honestly. Thank you.
That's a fanboy moment. What is the different take from when you do a film like this? Because it's huge, and yet it has its heartland